Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to pin folder to start menu on your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to pin folder to your start menu on your Windows 11, then I will show you how to do this. Guys, suppose this is the folder. If you want to pin this folder to your start menu, just you have to do simple, just right click on that. In this you will find pin to start. Just click on pin to start. I will show you the start menu where this folder is visible. Guys, you can see this is a folder which we have pinned to start menu. If you want to remove this folder or you remove anything from here, just you have to right click on that, unpin from start menu. That's it guys. So in this way you can pin folder to your start menu. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.